Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're taking a look at some safety and personal protection products. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're kind of doing things a little bit different. We're actually comparing and taking a look at some products from the company OnlyEST. And I actually have 8 different products here. And OnlyEST is a dedicated safety company. They manufacture and produce a lot of safety different products such as vests, like I have right here. We have like various different vests that we can utilize. And we also have these ear-muffs that you can use, to protect your hearing, especially if you're working in a lowered environment. And their products have been shipped out and utilized in 70 different countries all over the world. A lot of people utilize their products. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed in the video description alongside with the link to make a purchase if you guys are interested in any of these products that we take a look at in today's video. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. Let's take a look at our first safety vest. So let me actually unbag the safety vest. We're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see how it actually looks. And you can see they neatly folded up the safety vest. So let's expand it so we can see how it looks. So this is how our first safety vest looks. You can see there's a lot of pockets and stuff of this one, and this one has like some sort of breathable material. So you can see at the very top, we have a nice little ring here. We could put our pens or anything that has a clip. And then if you go down a little bit, you can see we have 2 pockets dedicated on the sides. We have a pocket right here, and we have another pocket right here. And then if you go down even more, we have 2 massive pockets right here. So you can put like your phones, your devices, or anything, bulky. You can even put your wallet in here. Next up, let's take a look at this blacked out variant. Let's unbox it. Let me unzip the bag as well. We're gonna pull it out. There we go. And you can see this one is also folded. And let me unfold it. So this one has like a black and gray kind of look. Look at that. Very, very interesting. And this one kind of looks similar to the last one that we just took a look at, but it is slightly different. So at the very top here, you can see we have like a smaller pocket right here. And this could be utilized, to put phones or not phones, but like, pens and stuff like that, pencils. And then this right here is actually a clear pocket that we could put our tag. And then we also have a nice D-ring right here that you can actually utilize and attach things onto. If you go down, you can see we have 2 massive pockets at the very bottom, and these can be utilized, like I said, for phones, for wallets, anything where you kind of need more space. You can easily put your things right there. Next up, we're going to take a look at this green vest. So let's do the same thing. We're going to unbox it, we're going to unbag it, and you can see they neatly folded this one as well. And let me unravel it, and you can see this is how this one looks. Look at that. I like the neon green look with this one. And now let me face this on to this camera angle so you guys can see we have a pocket over here you can put stuff into if you want to. We have a nice little pen holder right here, a name badge, so if you have a name badge you can put it inside right here. We have that nice little D-ring so you can clip things onto this safety vest. And if you go down here, you can see we have 2 massive pockets, just like some of the previous ones we took a look at. Here is the 4th safety vest that we're going to take a look at. Let's unbag it, unzip the bag, and let's pull it out. There we go. And let me unravel it. And you can see this one is actually slightly different. We actually have like an X design at the back. So this one actually crosses the reflective strip. But let me face this onto the table. So as for our pockets, we have a massive pocket right here. You could put your phone easily through this pocket. And then we have a pocket here that has a nice fabric Velcro to protect it and close it up. And if you go down, you can see we have two massive pockets right here where you can put like your phones or your, wallets or anything more massive. Here is the fifth variation we're gonna take a look at. Let me unbag it, unzip it from the bag. We're gonna pull it out, and you can see this one is very different from all the ones we just took a look at. So you can see this one kind of has like a interesting design for the reflectiveness. And let me unravel this, and it looks like there's actually some sort of fabric material in here. I'm gonna pull that out. And let's kind of unravel this one. And this safety vest, I don't know if you guys can notice, actually has LED lighting, which is really, really neat. So this one, you do have to actually open up a strap that's down here, and that allows you access to actually, get access to the safety vest. Our second to last variation of safety vest we're taking a look at is this one right here. Let's unbag it, open it up, pull it out. And you can see this one kind of has like a blue and gray kind of look, I should say. Let's unravel it. There we go. And this is how this one looks. You can see this one's similar to, I think, the second one we took a look at. And then here's the back side, just very plain and simple. And you can see we have a pocket right here. You could put stuff into. You could put your pens and stuff right here. We also have a name tag slip right here. We have that D-ring, so you can actually attach things onto that ring. And then if I slide down, you can see we have two massive pockets right here for anything that's more bigger and massive, such as notebooks. And you can see both of them are pretty decently sized. Last but not least, with the safety vests, we have this variation right here. And this one is very interesting. You can see it's a little bit more small and compact compared to some of the other ones we took a look at. Let me pull it out. It looks like there's actually two bags. So let me unzip this bag. I'm gonna open it up. And I want to try to pull out this safety vest. And there's actually a piece of cardboard in between everything. So let me try to get this out. You can see this safety vest is very, very interesting. So it's one of those safety vests that I could put on with any outfit essentially. It's basically, this is kind of like a strap that you can put on yourself. So you can see this is where it would wrap around your body on both sides. And then we have some LED lighting in the middle, so you can actually power on and off the LED lighting. And I'm pretty sure you do need to insert batteries, but it looks like they may have actually put batteries in here. You just have to pull this tab right here in order to activate the batteries. And with this one, you are able to actually adjust the width and the length that you need. So that's cool to see. And on the back side too, we actually have RGB, not RGB, but LED lighting that you can actually utilize and see visibly with this strap as well. The last product we have is actually some earmuffs. So let's actually unbox these earmuffs. And earmuffs are really important, especially if you work in a loud environment. So this is how the earmuffs are. You can see it has a nice textural design. It's really flexible, nice material at the top, very good padding. And these are very hard to expand, but once you get them expanded, they will actually fit around whatever you're trying to put it onto. So if you have a bigger head, you are able to expand it, but since it's trying to block out a lot of noise, that's why it's hard to kind of retract it. The company's branding is on the side right here, as you can see. And overall, it looks really decent. You're not able to actually, rotate these earmuffs all the way, but you are able to kind of face them down if you ever needed to, like that, which is good. And the one we have here has like a red design with it, red and black. So overall, it looks really interesting. Before we go outside and actually test out each and every one of these safety vests, I do want to take a look and test out the earmuffs. So let me actually put these on my head. We'll put them on and see if these earmuffs actually do a good job of blocking out some of the noise you would typically get. Put these on. There we go. Wow. Okay, so I'm having a very hard time hearing myself, and I have like a TV running in the background. I cannot hear anything with these earmuffs. So these earmuffs, or safety muffs, whatever you want to call them, they are pretty effective. So you can see, having, obviously the main reason why you want earmuffs is if you're working in a loud environment, having something that can protect your hearing is really important. And I gotta say, these earmuffs did a pretty good job of actually blocking out the noise. So now, what we're gonna do is actually go outside and we're gonna test out every single one of these vests. So here is this variant of safety vests, and this isn't really a vest, it's actually a strap. But there is a very unique feature about the strap like I showed you guys. There's actually a built-in battery compartment that can light up all these different LED light bulbs. So this is it on the safety vest on me without any lighting on. So you can see it looks normal. You can still get kind of a bit of a reflectiveness. But now, once I actually power on this battery though, you can see it starts to light up. And with this one, it becomes much more visible. And you can see how it's just kind of lighting up. And if I was outside right now, people can actually see me like I am. And there's 3 different modes you can switch it to. So you got this mode right here. You got one that's more slow paced and more steady. And if you click it again, you get the solid light. So you can see with the solid light, it just lights up and stays on. But let me keep it on the very flashy mode and let's conduct our test. This safety vest, while it's not really a vest like the other one, is a strap, but it also has a very unique feature about it, and that is it has built-in LED lighting just like the previous one. And in order to power it on, you basically click on that power button in the middle and it's going to power on, and you gotta basically do the same thing on the other side if you want to use the backside lighting as well. And with this safety vest, there's actually 3 dedicated modes you can switch it to. So you can see we have it flashing right now. If I click again, it's going to become more steady and slower paced, and if I click again, you can see the light becomes stable. And you have to do that same thing with each side. So what I'm going to do is put it back onto that flashing mode, and we're going to conduct our test. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about OnlyEST's, line of products? Well, as you guys saw with my demonstration, these products are practical. It's not something that maybe most of us would potentially utilize, but if you do anything where you do construction or anything like that, having a safety vest is important. But I do want to mention that honestly, anybody can use a safety vest. If you're walking outside late at night, if you're cycling, jogging, walking your pets, having safety vests can be very important. And think about it, it allows you to be more visible at night. People can actually see you from miles away. It prevents you from potentially getting hit late at night or people not being able to see you late at night. So overall, there's a lot of practical uses for these types of products. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of safety products from the company. Also, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description of this video, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested interested in any of these products we took a look at in today's video. Thank you all for tuning in to this comprehensive review. I had a blast making this video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.